let's talk about the 6 recession-proof niches. Number 1, healthcare. Regardless of the economic situation, people are going to continue to need quality healthcare. And although people may be less able to pay high medical bills during a recession, they still need to treat any ailments or health challenges that they have. Number 2 is food and beverage. Regardless of how well the economy is or isn't doing, we still need to eat. Number 3 is discount retail, and we love to shop. So even though people may earn less or spend less during a recession, we're still going to buy essentials such as food or basic household necessities. The next industry is online education. The providers in this space often grow during a recession as they offer more flexible and affordable programs with specialized training than their offline counterparts. The next niche is your DIY, do-it-yourself and repairs. Businesses that sell auto parts or home and garden supplies or power tools tend to do well during recession. Financial services. So whether you're talking about financial advisors or accountants, they're going to survive recessions just fine.